Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Thursday, August the 6th, ahead of the monthly employment report tomorrow. Markets did bounce yesterday. We saw a gap and go, gave back some of the gains. Even the S&P futures ended up finishing up 11 at 2094. The high of the session was 2107, so 2-week highs there. Ended up gaining about a third of a percent in the S&P. Some of the futures gains were after the cash market closed, as we saw some earnings spill out with the futures opening an extra 15 minutes. Dow futures up 21, 17,475. The cash was unchanged. The Nasdaq led the way, up 0.75%, 45.93, up 42 points, again within striking distance of the all-time forever tip-top highs. The dollar moving up a little bit, up 11 at 98.03. 98.34 was the high to keep an eye on. The euro currency 109.01, down 4 ticks there. Bonds backed off some after this surge that we've seen from the below the 150 level to up to 156. Yesterday's close was 155.21, down 1 full point, 107 actually. So we're seeing a bit of the price drop. So yields did hold firm yesterday. Crude oil pushing the new lows. 44.80 was the session low yesterday. 45.15, down 60 cents was the close. Still not much movement there. Tight ranges, but the drift continues lower and lower. And lastly, speaking of lower, stronger dollar, guess what happens? Gold down another $5 at 10.80. So, where are things standing here on this Thursday morning ahead of the numbers tomorrow? Well, we're holding steady right now. The S&P's up half a point at 2094.5. Dow futures down 5 at 17,470, and the Nasdaq 45.98 up 4 points. The dollar up 5 points as well. 98.08 is where it stands. The euro currency right around this 109 level. 109.06 actually gaining a little bit here. The bond market going nowhere, 155.30. That has the rates steady right now, 294 in the 30-year and 225 stuck at this midpoint level in that 10-year note. Crude oil is down 35 cents at 44.80, and gold's unchanged at 10.80 an ounce as well. So to wrap up the current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, we're steady, possibly a quiet day ahead of the employment numbers tomorrow morning that could have some impact on the market and interest rate talk once again. We'll see. But right now the S&P's up half a point, Dow futures down 5, and the Nasdaq's up 4. I will see you early Friday morning for your morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.